Unlocking the magic of English, adding th to ordinal numbers. Hello, English language learners. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring clarity to the complexities of the English language. Today, we're going to unlock the magic of ordinal numbers, specifically focusing on the key rule of adding th to most numbers. So get ready, because this is going to be a journey filled with numbers. Before we dive into the rules, let's do a quick recap. Ordinal numbers are numbers that represent position or rank in a sequential order. In other words, they tell us about the order of things. Some examples include first, second, third, fourth, and so on. Now, onto the meat of the matter, the th rule. When we're counting in English, after the first three unique ordinal numbers, first, second, third, we simply add th to the cardinal numbers to get their ordinal forms. For instance, 5 becomes fifth, 8 becomes eighth, and 10 becomes 10th. This rule applies to most numbers, and is crucial in understanding and using ordinal numbers correctly. Like every good rule, there are exceptions. While most numbers take th for their ordinal form, remember the unique forms of first, second, and third. Also, pay attention when you're working with numbers that end in 1, 2, or 3. These follow a special rule. When you have 21, you would say 21st, because the last digit is 1. Similarly, 22 becomes 22nd, and 23 becomes 23rd. However, this doesn't apply when the tens digit is 1, as in 11, 12, 13. So it's 11th, not 11th, and 12th, not 12th. And there you have it. A deep dive into the fascinating world of ordinal numbers and the magic rule of adding th to most numbers. By now, you should be feeling more confident about using these numbers in your daily English conversations. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to start incorporating ordinal numbers into your English vocabulary. Until next time, keep learning and happy studying.